Hello, this is Teresa Power, and I am recording a video presentation on my new progressive web application called GitGifts. This application is designed to help people find gifts for somebody in their life, whether that be a child or an adult. You are able to enter the gender, age, and budget for the gift that you would like to purchase, and the application will return a list of at least 6 items or suggestions that you can look through. You can then click on one that you might be interested in, and it will take you to another page. This website is composed of 4 different pages. The first one is the home page, and down at the bottom, if you scroll down, there is some call to actions down here, including find a gift, save event, and calendar. So if you click on find a gift, you will be redirected to the new gift page. On that page, there is gender, age, and budget. And if we populate just some information in these areas, then we can click find a gift, and it will return several items on the page. And these items, it will give the item name, the manufacturer, and then an approximate price. If you decide that this is not what you're actually looking for, and you decided that you like to spend a little bit more on that person, you can then click again, and it will repopulate the page or the div. It'll repopulate the div, and then you have some new ideas. Now, if you would like to find out more information or try to shop for one of the items on the list, if you click on the Shop For It button, then it will open in a Google tab with different purchase ideas or purchase avenues for that item that you can then scroll through those. Then it's easy to go back and click on the page again, and maybe you decided that you want to shop for a gift for, somebody else in your life. So you just have to click again, and it'll repopulate again. I have 70 JSON arrays that are populated with the different information for each gift. Then we can go to the new event page, and in here we can enter an event. You can put a birthday in here, anniversary, anything that you would like. I have added a date picker calendar and through the jQuery UI, and you can, and I also put in years in here so that it would be easier to get where you're wanting to go. So you can enter the information and then enter your event. I have an alert on there right now that pops up to let me know that the event has been saved. I plan to add a little bit more to this app in the future, as far as possibly some app notifications or different things. But right now, this is what it does. It does populate my events in the IndexedDB. Then I also have a My Calendar button or a page, and this calendar is a bootstrap calendar that I've had to do quite a little bit of styling on. It would not shrink down for smaller screens, so I had to fix that. I would like to get these dates that I put in to populate into my calendar. Right now there's just some dummy text in there, or dummy events. So I'd like to get rid of those and get the other events to populate into my calendar. But I think it's a pretty nice looking calendar for this website. I'd like to show you what it looks like on a smaller screen. So I'm going to minimize this and bring it over and just show you that it does bring down to it's a bootstrap menu. and then the events or the call to actions are all in a single column. And when you hit Find a Gift, this all looks very professional and very nice. And I'm just really happy with how this turned out. It turned out pretty nice. And I hope to work on it some more and continue developing this app. Thank you for your time.